Hello students. So today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 3, the digestive and excretory system. So in this video we will mainly learn about the digestive system. So what is digestion? See, the food that we eat is not directly used to provide energy. It is first broken down into simpler forms. So this process of breaking down of food into simpler form so that it could be easily absorbed by the body is called digestion. Chewing food properly is very important. The physical process of chewing food in your mouth helps to break down large particles of food into smaller particles, and this helps to reduce stress on the food pipe and helps the stomach to digest your food. Now let's see the process of digestion. So our digestive system consists of following parts. First is mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. So the process of digestion starts from the mouth. Our teeth bite and chew the food and break it into small pieces. As we chew, the saliva in our mouth mixes with this food, and this saliva is a digestive liquid secreted by salivary gland. So mainly we can say that there is a gland called salivary gland in our mouth that secrete a liquid called saliva that help in digestion or help in breaking down the food into smaller fragments. Then from the mouth the food passes through the food pipe, also called esophagus. So from esophagus the food passes into the stomach. So the stomach is a sac-like organ where food is broken down further. So in stomach, the protein that is present in the food is break down with the help of some digestive juices present in stomach. Now from the stomach, the food passes into small intestine. So this is small intestine. So this is the small intestine. So the inside walls of the small intestine produces juices that mix with the food, and this liver as well as this yellow color organ you can see is the pancreas also release their juices into the small intestine. So the juices from liver and pancreas releases into the small intestine. Why such juices are important? Because it helps in the complete digestion of the food. And the blood vessels that are present in the walls of the small intestine absorb this digested food and carry it to all parts of our body. After that, the undigested food goes to the large intestine. Here, the blood vessels in the walls of the large intestine absorb extra water and minerals from the food. And at last, the remaining solid waste is then stored in the rectum. So, this part is called rectum until it passes out of the body through anus. Now let's recapitulate again. So the process of digestion starts from the mouth. Then the food passes into the esophagus, and after that to the stomach. Then from the stomach it passes into the small intestine, where liver and pancreas release their juices, and with the help of which complete digestion takes place in small intestine. And then the undigested food goes to the large intestine. And in large intestine, the extra water and minerals are absorbed, and the remaining solid waste is stored in the rectum until it passes out of the body through anus. Next is tips for proper digestion. So have your food at fixed hours. Next, chew the food well and do not swallow it whole. Eat lots of fruits and green vegetables, as this will not only give vitamins and minerals to your body but also provide roughage. Next, do not overeat and drink plenty of water. And always eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. Next is tips for healthy cooking. So first one is, do not wash fruits and vegetables after cutting them. Even do not throw away the water in which pulses are soaked, as it contains vitamins. So we can use it for cooking. Next, do not overcook, because too much of roasting and frying destroy the essential nutrients in the food.